another video. So this video is going to be over the Clarisonic brush head that I found. I wanted to find an alternative because I don't want to keep paying for replacement brushes. They are expensive and ridiculous. So you already spent over $100 for your Clarisonic, so I feel like the replacement brushes shouldn't be that much, but they are. So I was on the hunt for an alternative and I found one. So of course I'm going to come on here and share with you guys, just in case it's somebody else like me who wanted to purchase something that was a little bit cheaper. So before I go into details about where I found this at, I want to talk about the Clarisonic. I got the Clarisonic Mia 2. Ever since I've been using a Clarisonic, I've been getting less breakouts. Like if I miss cleaning my face with this, I will get a breakout. I only wash my face with this once a day, so it's either in the morning or at night. More than likely it's in the morning. I don't use it twice a day because I feel like that's just too much manipulation to your face. I don't know, it just doesn't feel right if I use it more than once a day. But I've noticed I had less breakouts. I've never been an acne person, but I do get pop-up pimples here and there. Like I got one right here, but the reason why I hate getting those pop-up pimples because after they go down, they leave a black mark, and the black mark it leaves behind takes like a year for it to fade away. So I hate to get those pop-up pimples. Also, if you have any recommendations on what to use on dark marks, let me know. I know there's a lot of products out, but I haven't tried any. I know a lot of people just say use cocoa butter, but if you got something that you're using and you notice it works really fast to fade those marks, let me know. Yeah, so I guess I'll just jump into where I found this alternative brush. So y'all, the website is procision.com. It sells random stuff. This is like a very random website, but it has these Clarisonic brushes. So for a 2-pack, it is $14.97. If you go to Clarisonic website or Sephora, a 2-pack is $44. So this is more than half off, and they have all different types of brush heads. One for acne, one for normal skin, one for delicate. They have all the different kind of brushes that Clarisonic has, and for cheaper prices. And you can get a set of 12 for $49.97. That is like a 2-pack of the regular Clarisonic ones on their website. You cannot beat that. And I'm also going to include a clip of me changing this out with the alternative brush. So the alternative brushes do have the clear case on the outside to protect them from dirt and debris, just as the Clarisonic ones have. So as you see, on the left is the Clarisonic removed, and on the right is the dupe. As you see, the making of the back connector part is the exact same. So the Clarisonic, the one on the left, is for sensitive skin, and my new one that I purchased is for normal skin. So it does look a little bit different and feel a little bit different, the brush heads. So now I'm going to put this onto the Clarisonic brush, and it went on without any problem at all, and it comes off without any problem. So that is it for this video, guys. I want to thank you for watching. Before you leave today, hit the subscribe button and leave me a like. Until my next video, bye.